Hi everyone! In this video we are going to make an emoji pom-pom necklace. This concept can be applied to regular pom-poms as well. Alright, so what you'll need are 10 plus emoji pom-poms. We ended up using 12 for this project that you'll see on the picture. I like to string them up beforehand so that the project goes faster. A necklace and mounting piece. We made this actually out of rope that we just had, and then some dye. We just dye some rope and then we actually sewed it together in this kind of stair-step kind of technique. You could just use your regular needle and some thread. A doll needle is just a sharp needle that could push pretty far, and then you could actually also use glue or a glue gun if you wish not to sew, so that's an option as well. Okay, let's jump right in. All right, so first what you'll need to do is to make sure that your emoji pom-pom has an attachment thread. What I like to actually do is take my embroidery floss that I tied the emoji with and split it. It's 6 ply, so there's actually 3 plies here. It's just thinner and it just actually allows you to work a little bit easier as you sew. So here I'm going to look for that tight middle tie, thread it through, and then tie a double knot. This actually helps secure the tie to the actual pom-pom itself and the middle tie of the pom-pom. Okay. All right, so I'm going to start with the big one. They're so cute. What you can do is actually place them and see how it looks, or you could just freestyle it. I'm going to end up freestyling it. They're rolling all over the place, but it's totally up to you. If you're working with different color pom-poms as well, different expression emoji, you might want to place them before. Totally up to you. Okay, so this one isn't tied, so let me tie that tight double knot. This really helps secure the pom-pom. If you don't do this, the pom-pom will end up just sliding and makes it a little harder. Okay, so let's take one tail, thread it into your needle, and then just choose a spot and begin to sew it onto the mounting piece. Repeat for the other tail. Okay, choose another spot and sew. Okay, now you might have to adjust your pom-pom a little bit. You saw that I actually had to turn it right side up. And what you're going to do here is pull the pom-pom so it's flush to the piece, and then tie 3 knots, very tight knots. This really helps secure it. I'm going to tuck in those tails later, but let's fast forward and actually do another pom-pom real fast so you can see what it looks like. Okay, I'm just repeating. You'll end up repeating this for the rest of the pom-poms as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna sew each tail into the back of the mounting. This part is pretty easy, so just take a spot close to the knot, sew it in, pull the thread, and then just cut the tail. Super, super easy. Having a doll needle is helpful with this because it's meant to go through kind of a little bit of a heavy duty material. And the rope is 100% cotton, so it's actually pretty soft and pliable. It's easy to work with. So I'm doing that with all the pieces. So this project just sewing it on can take probably between 30 to 45 minutes depending on how many pom-poms. And you could do it over the course of many days, of course. They're so fun. Okay, once I do this, I'm actually going to end up fast forwarding the video and just cut to the finished product because I'm actually sewing on about 10 or 11 more. So here's the finished product. I added a little pink accent pom-pom as well, which is super cute. All right, guys, enjoy.